Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW X6 M. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I would like you to know that there are some paint chips on the front, underneath the grille. Also, on the side down here. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Right, there are some paint chips on the hood. Very small chips along the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender as well. This fender is in good condition. It just has a chip right here. The wheel looks perfect. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door are in good condition over here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. Let's take a look at the quarter panel as well. This quarter panel has no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk and back bumper look spotless back here. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel wheel. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door over here look perfect. Well, I do see that there is a small scratch on the door right here. It's still not perfect, but it's good. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel is in good condition. Also, the leather and stitching looks perfect as well. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.